Right, we have introduced diagnostic intelligence in Rome. So now I wanted to introduce you iROAM. Now iROAM, as I say from the start, that this is going to be the disruptive sales force automations with sales intelligence. What do I mean? Sales intelligence essentially is made up of descriptive intelligence, which we have done it in the first video. Now we have introduced diagnostic intelligence that comprehensively cover what is needed for the salespersons to be able to create a quantifying effect called the predictive intelligence. Because we need this predictive intelligence to be able to give you the intelligence of prescriptive intelligence to prescribe solutions to help the salespersons to perform better. Now, ROAM or iROAM, what we do is that we integrate both the soft skill profiling, we call this descriptive intelligence, into the process called ROAM. Alright, so what we do is that the last part of a ROAM is obviously we uses this as a motivations to institute it into a predictive intelligence. So what we do is that I want to introduce you the 20-point system. So in this particular systems, through the diagnostic strategies, what we do is that we assign points to every actions that are being taken throughout the whole sales process. And this point will probably add up to an average of 20 points. 20 points. That's the reason why we call it the 20-point systems. So in this 20 point, what we wanted the salespersons to do is to achieve 20 points averagely in a day. So assuming that, so what we are trying to do is this, that look here, if every day you need to just achieve 20 points, simple systems, 20 points. If you have a minus, you got issues. If you got a plus, you can celebrate. So what we're trying to do is to give you consistent notifications every day that sends into your in-apps to tell you or to give you a report cards of what you've done in the previous day. So the reaction is this, that Ken, I'm a salesperson. Do I need this or do I not need this? The chances is this, that company that succeed has got to put together a system, has got to put together sales systems that will consistently and give the report cards to themselves and the company to make them accountable so that they can stay motivated themselves or not. But whatever it is a form of motivations for you to keep going until you get a result. So whether you like it or you don't, this is extremely important if somebody has got the right mindset for their careers in sales or in customers engagements and so on. So here is that we introduce a predictive intelligence where you could use this as a predictive model to say, look here, you are down or you are up, because you need this to be able to achieve the results that you need. So what happened is that this particular 20-point system, a daily 20-point systems, will be able to send it out as a notification reports. We call this breakfast club. Now in this breakfast club, you every day in, day out, you will have a report cards of a 20-point, minus and plus. And you can see is that actually in this whole sales process of LAWS, we call it the laws, you are able to give you a report cards of every day, whether you goes up, go down, or flats and so on. This report cards will be consistently fresh out in your in-apps every day to show you how far you've gone and all that sort of things. And that is where we bring the company or the sales leader into the pictures. Company or the sales leader into the picture, because in this predictive intelligence tools, predictive intelligence called the 20-point systems, they are able to now use this quantitatively. Unlike most salespeople, sales leaders are always going on a qualitative ways of counseling agent rather than to coach the agent. If you want to do a good coaching job, you want to do a good analysis of the salespersons, you need quantitative results. You need quantitative information. Here we provide quantitative predictive intelligence in this case to do what? For you to be able to do training, for you to be able to do coaching, for you to be able to run sales meeting in this case. Now, this will gives you some kind of prescriptive intelligence. A prescriptive intelligence for us, for the sales leader, for the companies, or even for the salespersons themselves to be able to stay motivated or to be able to do the right thing right until the results are being achieved in this case. So I want to introduce you strategies of prescriptive intelligence here in apps called iROAM. So what we do is that we integrate descriptive intelligence, we integrate diagnostic intelligence to form predictive intelligence so that we will allows you to be able to prescribe intelligently, prescribe solutions to the salespersons or the organizations to achieve the desired results that you want for.